This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Levine. Ready to enjoy easy living and beautiful surroundings? Sellers have created a wonderful 0.45-acre oasis for you. Upgrades through including stainless steel stove and dishwasher, new granite counter, new range hood, kitchen sink and backsplash, new exterior gutters, new carpeting in the living room and primary bedroom, new flooring in family room, replaced many of the bathroom fixtures, new landscaping, installed 6mm poly and crawl space and new vents, some new windows on order, and a new hot water heater. This is a move-in ready home. Take advantage of all that his First Colony has to offer: pool, tennis, clubhouse, playground, basketball, lake, river, marina, beach, social picnics and gatherings, and pickleball, something for everyone. Plus close to Virginia Capitol Trail. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Levine at 757-810-8624.